let's bath my shared poodle. First thing we do is close the tub, fill it up with water. We're going to add 3 pumps of our dog cleanness shampoo, and then we're going to cut out the elastic from her hair because I forgot to do that before. Now we're going to use our OPAWZ dog bathing machine that filters the water back up and uses your shampoo to completion. Next, I mix dog cleanness conditioner in a 250 milliliter bottle and spray all of it in her hair. Let it sit, and then we're going to throw that out because why not? Then we're going to take our adapted spray nozzle for a car and rinse off the poodle. Let the poodle shake, which, yes, I've taught her how to do this on command. Then we take this and turn it into this. Floofy! And then we have some playtime. And then that's it. Only 3 hours.